Hi.
Hello, I'm Brenda, and welcome. I'm Customer Solutions Manager here at Crown Relocations. Coming in.
In a few words, what does Crown Relocations do?
Oh, very few words. We basically move people around the world, and we help them live and relocate, as well as do businesses anywhere in the world.
Great. And have you relocated internationally?
I actually have. I would say about 5 times now.
Oh, wow. Are any of those with Crown?
Yes, the last 2. It was Netherlands, Prague, and Prague to the UK.
So, is this where the magic happens?
Indeed it is. Here we have the best team that will help your relocation be actually smoother, successful, and stress-free.
Hey Gabs, what's the first step for customers to receive their quote?
So we need to schedule a virtual consultation with them so we can get the detailed inventory and we can check the access conditions, and all the details will be in their quote.
Michelle, can customers ship electric cars?
That's a big no, because lithium batteries are a prohibited item.
Any other popular prohibited items?
Yes, alcohol. Some countries allow a few bottles, but most don't. So best thing to do is have a party before you relocate.
And Gabs, what's the most frequently asked question when customers first call?
I'd say, how long will my shipment take and will my goods be protected while in transit?
And what are the answers? I'm dying to know.
So I'd say it depends where the customer's going to and the type of shipment it is, but with the Crown Care we've got different levels of cover, so we've got the customer sorted.
Brenda, quick.
Yes,
Boxes or suitcases?
both.
Planning or spontaneity?
Oh, definitely planning.
One word for moving abroad?
Opportunity.
And one piece of advice.
Always make sure to review and compare your proposals.
Hey George, what's the number one thing customers should consider for an international move?
Starting early, it's 100% going to remove any stress and it will let us get the best price out to them.
Leonie, what's your biggest Crown flex?
I'd say guiding customers through the details of their move and making sure that everything stays on track for them.
And in one word, what does successful relocation feel like?
Probably manageable. For some people it's their first move and others it's a challenging destination.
Daniela, what's one small thing that makes a big difference during a move?
Only one. I'll give you 2 my clients love. One is clear communication and the other one is having one main point of contact.
Chantel, what makes Crown Relocations different?
I'd say after 15 years of being with Crown, it's our global knowledge and our personal touch.
Oh, that's sweet and true. One final piece of advice for anyone relocating internationally.
Trust in your relocation consultant.
So this is our team, real people, real expertise behind every move. So wherever you go, we've got you covered.